at the Stainless Steel Company are engaged in the development, production, and engineering of stainless steel. Aichi Steel began production in Kariya plant, where it was founded, and produced Japan's first hot-formed stainless angle bar in 1958. We can boast the top market share of formed steel in Japan today. We respond to individual customer needs by flexibly producing products with various types of steels, shapes, and dimensions in a timely manner. Stainless steel is made by melting raw materials composed of stainless steel scrap in an electric furnace, then adjusting its chemical composition. It is next poured into molds and continuously hardened. Then, they are formed into different shapes and dimensions with our advanced proprietary rolling technologies. Heat treatment is used to adjust their internal properties, and their surfaces are cleaned with acid, thus resulting in finished stainless steel materials. Also, we have been expanding our scope of business into the design, manufacture, and on-site construction of stainless steel structures. By making the best use of properties of stainless steel, we make valuable proposals in various forms across a range of markets. The superior corrosion resistance of stainless steel makes it ideal for use in various fields. These include engineering in water treatment facilities, coastal structures, the maintenance and repair of cultural assets, etc. In addition, surface finishes deliver superior design characteristics, excellent low-temperature characteristics, ensure material will not get brittle even at low temperatures, excellent high-temperature characteristics maintain strength even at high temperatures, and non-magnetic characteristics ensure material will not create magnetic fields. These are among its utilized features. Moreover, its resistance to hydrogen embrittlement spurs its utilization in hydrogen fuel cell vehicles and hydrogen stations, helping to bring about the anticipated hydrogen society. In the future, its application in bridges and tunnels will be extended as a way to handle the infrastructure crisis. Aichi Steel will contribute to the realization of safe, secure lifestyles in a sustainable society.